Here we have 3 Carrier central air conditioners running and a Ruud running. I'm not gonna go by every single one of them because window's open. Anyway, that's that. Oh, looks like one of the Carrier logos fell off. Fell off of that one right there. Yeah, the Carrier heat pump's obviously not running. And the one that's right next to the Ruud's also not running, as you can see. The one by the Ruud doesn't really run that much. And I wish it did. But it does not. Anyway, let's go ahead and see what's running over here. Oh. Yeah, I think I just see a brand new train. Or I just saw a brand new train. Yeah, that is. A brand new train. Right there. That replaced one of the Rheem Classic X air conditioners. And that Ruud shut off. That Goodman and that Ruud are running. As you can see. Yeah, let's go ahead and check out that train. I'd be so happy if it's running right now. I'll be darned, I think it is. Oh, never mind, it was a Ruud, or a Rheem. Everything's faded. Yeah, here it is. Train XR. Two-tone from 2021. Looks like, I think it's an XR14. Not sure if it's a heat pump or not. Oh, it is a heat pump. No way. Let's go. I could get a defrost out of this thing. Let's go. I did not expect a new train heat pump to be here. That's freaking awesome. Yeah, brand new 2021 train heat pump. More heat pumps are coming to this resort. That's what I like to see. Rheem Classic X running. And there's a Ruud. Yeah, 2 Ruuds and 3 more Rheems. I think the one in the back is running, but I'm not sure. No, it's not. I'll go up here and you'll see. I haven't made these videos and these air conditioner heaven videos in a while. Just should start doing them again. Yeah, it's just one running. And the Rheem in the back and that one right there look like they've been running because they're all the lines you can see, they're all sweaty. Oh, it's road running. Yep, brand new 2020 Rudd's running. Obviously replace one of those O2 Goodmans. So Goodman and the Rudd's running right now. As you can see. Looks like that Goodman has been running. I don't think anything else has been. And the third carrier's running. This unit. I caught this unit starting up last May. What was that? Short 7-second video. It has over 1,000 views, which I think is pretty cool. I might try to get some of these starting up, but not all of them. Because I want to record some other stuff before I leave. And I mean, I'll try. I'm not going to be leaving until this Sunday. And it's Friday right now, so I have today and tomorrow to do some stuff. Yep, carrier's running. That's the one I got starting up last May. Gosh, I cannot think. Yeah, it doesn't look like anything is really going on. It's just that one carrier running. That's amazing. I can't believe a Rheem got replaced with a 2021 Trane heat pump. Did those units shut off? The only thing I hear is a carrier. Yep. Good, just shut off. So did the Rudd. I could literally sleep to hearing that air conditioner. Such a nice sounding unit. Now, I'm not sure if that Fujitsu is running or not. Honestly, don't think so. It's not. Go up here and check. Yep. 2002 Goodman's running. And a Rudd and another Goodman. I want to try to catch that big Goodman starting up sometime soon. Looks like it has been running. Wow, it's already 9 minutes of recording time. Later on, I might stick around to catch one of these rings firing up. I want to catch that one starting up. But it's on for a long period of time and it's off for a long period of time, so I don't really know. I just hear units over there running. Yep, brand new train. Let's see if it's been running. If it is, I might try to catch a startup. Nope. I did not expect. At first I thought that was a RUD, but it was a train. Yep, that RUD's running again, or not surprising that it's running right now. Should I even be surprised that it's running? Okay. Let's see what units are running over here. I'm assuming it's going to be the same thing as it was earlier. Yep, I was right. Yep, just 4 air conditioners. The 3 carriers and the 1 room that replaced the 2001 pane. Sucks that pane's gone. What would have really been nice is they replaced that pane with another carrier. That would actually be kind of cool. But it's a RUD. But it is what it is. Let's go see if there's any heat pumps running down here. They're running in cool mode. I think I hear the Heil. I think I hear the Heil. I'm not sure. Yep, I hear the Heil. Yep, there's the Heil. I want to catch that unit starting up. It has been running. I might stick around for a startup of it. Wow, already 14 minutes of recording time. Yep, the 2021 RUD's running and the 2016 one is running. Nothing else is running over here. Looks like that 2018 one has been running. The one in the back, it might have, but I'm not sure. There's a 2017 Rudd running. Oh, and the Infinity's running too. Yeah, that's the Infinity is a 2012 Carrier Infinity. It's a 3-ton. Yeah, the blinds are open. I'm not gonna go next to it. I don't want to get busted. If the blinds are shut, then I'll go next to them. If they're not, then I'm not gonna risk it. Go see what's running down here, and I'm gonna end the video. Carrier and Gibson. Nothing else seems to be running. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Over and out.